Okay, here we go again. This is about a year after we started this project. This is something we've been needing to get done. It's the axles. So on our YouTube video, some people were asking how we're gonna make the axle happen and are they gonna be strong. And so I made a small description of how I was thinking of doing it. It turns out that is how I ended up doing it. I put them on my lathe. Well, first we cut each one in half and then got the approximate size we needed, and then Vtec welded them together and tested in his driveway, and they moved. So then we cut them back apart and then stuck them on my machine lathe and machined them a bit. So yeah, right over there on that guy, just put it on the old jet and machined them down to the same size. And then I made a sleeve that can go over there. Ryan, you want to hold that? And we got a sleeve. This is 840 thousandths up top and the same on the bottom, the outside diameter of the axle now. And then the sleeve fits over both. And so we're going to have this MIG welded here all the way around with our little Lincoln MIG welder down there. I'll show you which model it is so you guys can go out and buy the same one. It's pretty cheap, you know, about 530 bucks. Get you set up for just the machine, and then you can go get some gas and start welding. So anyway, I'm making sure that this thing is aligned with this sleeve here, and then I've got the nice little Harbor Freight clamp holding her all together just to keep pressure. And then I'm going to tack weld around this, and then once those tack welds are good and I make sure this hasn't warped due to the heat, I'm going to continue and fill the whole weld around. And yeah, that's the plan, so we'll see what happens. And then after that, we're going to slip this sleeve over that and then weld around the outside of each diameter, or here and there on the top and bottom, and just to take some of the stress off of the weld in the center there. So that should help out. Hopefully it'll be strong enough. And there's been a lot of more ghetto ways that this has been done, so I'm thinking this is going to hold. Also, we've got a dowel pin, a 3/16 pin, holding these two together. I drilled each one in a ½ inch and then cut a 1-inch piece of drill bit, actually, the same size that I used to drill the holes, and just put that in there to hold them together. So just to let you know. Alright, see ya.